Right, let us start solving the problem number 18 here. Suppose your watch gains 4 seconds every 8 hours. 4 seconds every 8 hours. How many seconds will it gain in a week? This is what we need to calculate. So the watch is gaining 4 seconds in 8 hours, right? 8 hours for 7 in a week. So in a week means what? 7 days. And as well as 1 day is 24 hours, correct? 1 day is 24 hours. So now what we are supposed to calculate is in terms of hour, right? So now 4 seconds for 8 hours. So 1 hour, for 1 hour the watch gains 4 by 8 seconds. Now let's substitute for 7 days or week. It is going to be 4 by 8 into 7 into 24. Simplified. 8 ones are 8 threes are. So 21 fours are 84 seconds. It is going to gain in a week. This is where you can do, or otherwise you can do like this. 4 seconds in 8 hours. You know 1 day is how many hours? 1 day is 24 hours, right? So for 24 hours, 4 seconds in 8 hours, for 24 hours it is going to be 12 seconds. So for per day, for a day, for 1 day the watch is going to gain 12 seconds. For 7 days, just multiply it. 7 into 12, 12 sevens are 84 seconds. This we also can do. Fine.